When I play the video file, it's not supported by Windows. If you have this kind of problem, let's see how to solve it. Open the VLC player. You have to convert the video format through the VLC player. I saved this video file in a new folder. Video format conversion is start. Now this video is supported by Windows. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.